Hello, my name is Alexia Solorzano, and today we'll be calculating numbers of rental property. First, you need to know why do you need to calculate the numbers of rental property. By being able to determine the monthly cash flow and the cash-on-cash return for any rental property investment, you'll be able to analyze a property to see if it's worth buying. This can also help you set the price for your rental property. By being able to see its worth, you won't be just buying the property blindly and you don't lose money as an investor. This will make your search for homes more profitable, but it will need a little more work of you. To calculate the numbers, we're going to use something called the Foursquare method, which includes income, expenses, cash flow, cash-on-cash, ROI. The Foursquare method. Income is the money that we receive either monthly or on a regular basis, which can come through work or investments. After you add up all your income, that's your total monthly income. After income is something called expenses. Expenses is the money required for something, which is, in this case, will be rental property. Expenses take most of the money when it comes to income. Paying expenses keep your rental property working, so it's important. It includes taxes, insurance, utilities, water, electricity, sewer, gas, garbage, homeowner association fees, vacancy, capex, property management, and mortgage. After you add up all of these, it equals to your monthly expense for your property. Next is cash flow. Cash flow is a financial statement that summarizes the amount of cash and cash equivalents entering and leaving from a company or person. It's a way of showing how well you generate cash to pay expenses or debts. For you to get your cash flow, you need the formula of income minus expenses, which equals your cash flow. Fourth would be cash-on-cash ROI, which is the short name for cash-on-cash return on investment. This creates a question that you need to answer, which is what kind of return on your cash flow are you getting? To answer this, first you need to know how much money you put into a deal, which in other words will be your total investment, which includes down payment, closing costs, repair money, rehab money, miscellaneous other. After all of this, for you to get your cash-on-cash ROI, you need annual cash flow divided by total investment, which equals to your cash-on-cash ROI, which most of the time comes out as a percentage. As quiz time. You can pause in this video to answer the questions, write them out on a piece of paper, or whatever you need to do. What do you think? The Foursquare method at first may intimidate you, but this is the easiest way for you to know what you're buying and to estimate the income that you can get and the cash flow that can come to you after the deduction of expenses. Many may not think about the consequence of buying rental properties blindly, but now you do. So use it for the future properties you may want to buy. Always use the new and important information that you get so in the future you don't struggle and have an easy, smooth life. This is the end of my presentation. If there's any questions, contact me at solorzanoalexia9@gmail.com. For more information about this topic, you can check out my notes. Or you can also check out the video this is written about, which is calculating the numbers of rental properties using the Foursquare method.